In this video, I'm going to give you 6 steps to start selling with WhatsApp. If you want to sell your products online but lack the skills and or the time necessary to build a website, WhatsApp is the channel that can help you reach your customers immediately at no cost. WhatsApp is the most widely used direct messaging app in the world. About 1.3 billion people use it to communicate daily with friends and family, spending more time chatting than they do their Facebook or Instagram profiles. For this reason, despite WhatsApp was not born as a marketing tool, companies can use this channel to sell their products and or services. While considering the marketing opportunities this platform offers, there are several, including the ability for authors to sell ebooks, the ability for photographers to sell copies of photographs, and many more. So, let's understand how and what you can do within WhatsApp marketing. Step 1. Download the WhatsApp Business app. WhatsApp Business can be downloaded for free from the Play Store and was born with the aim of helping companies create a business profile of the app. Its functionality and user interface are very similar to the traditional app version. Step 2. Create a business page. Once you have downloaded and installed the app on your smartphone, you will have to create your business profile. It is important to note that you can't use the same phone number you already use for WhatsApp, and you will need to buy a new one that will be dedicated specifically to your business. When the app is open, you will be asked to verify your phone number. Choose the name of your business. Just note that it cannot be changed later, and set up a profile picture. To change your WhatsApp business profile, you will have to open WhatsApp Business, click on the main menu, Settings, Company Settings, and Profile. Click Edit in the upper right corner and edit the fields and save the changes. Step 3. Set opening times, welcome messages, and business description. The settings section is one of the main differences that you will notice from the traditional app. From here, you can set up your business's opening hours, a welcome message that will be sent once the customer's first message is received, a message of absence sent when you are contacted outside the opening hours, quick answers that will allow you to rapidly answer your users' frequently asked questions. Step 4. Download WhatsApp Web or create an account. In this phase, you will have to decide which tool to use to manage your chats. If you are just starting out, you expect a low volume of messages and you are alone in managing the chats, then you can choose WhatsApp Web, the desktop interface that allows you to respond to chats from your PC. Step 5. Advertise both online and offline your business's presence on WhatsApp. At this point, you will have to make sure clients find you. In fact, on WhatsApp, you don't have the possibility to be searched by name or location. You will have to provide your phone number to your customers in order to allow them to contact you. You can do it either in your brick-and-mortar store by printing the number on your sign on your receipts, or online from Google My Business account, on your Facebook page, or from your site via click-to-chat widget. For most tech-savvy, you can even promote your business with ads that lead users to start a chat with you directly. Step 6. Manage incoming chats and start selling. Once you have followed these steps, you can finally start chatting with your users and selling your products and services. Now it's your turn. Based on the nature of your products and services, you can use this communication channel to guide your contacts towards the purchase and, why not, support them in the post-sale phase. WhatsApp will allow you reach your users whenever they are, and is to establish a personal relationship with your client, with who you feel valued and will be prone to be buying from you in the future. Moreover, as you have seen, using this tool to support your customers during the purchase phase is simple and basically free. If you like this guide, please don't forget to like and subscribe for our channel for more tips and tricks like that. Thank you for watching and see you soon.